Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you my pre-workout meal. This is what I eat 1 hour or 30 minutes before any activities, be it cycling, running, or just doing some body weights workout at home. It's easy, quick to do, nutritious, and packs a good amount of protein for your gains. Alright, here's everything you'll need for this recipe. And there you have it, your pre-workout meal served with coffee for that extra kick of caffeine. And here are the calories, fat, carbs, and protein breakdown for those who are counting. Recipe with measurements at the end of the video. If you like the video, please hit like, consider subscribing, and share it with your friends. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.